Golden Setups.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Golden Setups. I'm your host, Golden Focus, and here with another how I traded SPX today. Actually, I did quite a few trades today, and we're going to go through it. Did some live trading today with a good group here, and let's go ahead and jump right into my trades. And so, starting off first, I got quite a lot here. I'm going to just clean this up just a little bit. Let me remove this. And that was there for a reason. Actually, I'm gonna keep that there. So today was a really good day. We had a nice run up in the morning, and then after that we hit my alpha level, which was 431.87. Those of you guys are wondering what's an alpha level. I can explain that in a little bit, but we hit this level. We had a hard time. We're looking at the 5-minute here on SPY. We had a hard time getting above this level. Nice rejection off of this level, and if we had a hard time moving up, then we're moving down. At this moment, I noted during live trading that, man, we are looking weak, and so we started dropping, and I talked about, like, if we're weak, what I want to see us drop below the 9 and close. Once we drop below the 9 and close, I want to see us use the 9 as resistance, and we got that over here. This is when I entered into my first contracts. All right. Next thing I said is I want us to move back up, try to move up above the 9, and then continue to drop down. Now this alert that I have here was an alert that I was looking to go off. This was like a stop loss. I was looking to see this go off, but we didn't actually hit it, right? We didn't actually, we actually didn't hit it. And so nevertheless, we continued to move down. I was doing really good, took some profits right around here, held a runner, and I held through all of this, right? I held through my runner through all of that situation. And then let me go ahead and remove that now that I've explained that. Okay. And then after that, we were looking to break again. And this was a very interesting place because, we had an established trend line here. And then after that, after this, we did break down below it. We had the 9 and 20 down below here. But then after that, we kept moving up. So it was a very confusing place. And it's something that I haven't seen before. So, but nevertheless, we did end up breaking down. I was tracking this price action here with the trend line, track that price action there. I was looking to get into puts at the break of this trend line, but again, we kept moving up and down through the trend line. So I was like, there's something wrong there. So I went ahead and drew a trend line here, just kind of demarcating this flag, this possible bear flag. We did break. All right, I did get in here. I got into quite a few contracts, and then I talked about we did have targets. I actually set up alerts as targets, and we hit every single target. I talked about us reaching all the way to yesterday's high a day, which is this green line right there, and we did reach yesterday's high a day, and that's where I took profits, and that was my SPX trade for the day. Did really well. That one was a 265% trade. I'll bring that out over here, show you the proof and documentation here. All right, there's 1126. All right, and 265%. All right, now you can see here I took a QQQ trade. That was a loss this morning. I think I lost roughly around 15% there. This is the SPX trade, and now I'm going to share with you my Tesla trade. I actually swung Tesla from yesterday, and that turned out to be really good because that trade netted me roughly around 2,126%. All right, so that was a 2,000% trade for Tesla there, that Tesla swing. And so that turned really good. Turns out that news about GM and Tesla actually worked in my favor. So that was pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and move that off aside, and then I'm going to talk about my target play. And I'm going to come over here and switch to target. And by the way, I gave this alert on the free Telegram channel a while back ago. Back when was this? On June 5th. We did move back away from it, and then after that, we did finally break the trend line. We had our entry, our break entry here. We moved down to target 1. All right, and that's when I noticed, like, oh man, these targets are still up. This is still in play. So I went ahead and I drew my line. I got into a bear flag break on the 15-minute. and I went ahead and rode that all the way down to the middle here. I wanted to ride it to the day, and I was talking to everybody on the channel, man, should I hold it? Should I not hold it? Or whatever. This looks like a really good play. But I went ahead and took profits because we started chopping and whatnot, and I didn't know how things were gonna play out. This is a higher time frame play. This is a big move, but we ended up getting the move exactly like we talked about. Just it was Friday, it's Friday, end of the day and whatnot. So we hit that. We hit all the targets, and that worked out. And I got that play. I walked out of that play with roughly around 49%. So I'm very happy about that. So today overall, very good trading day. For those of you guys who want to learn the system, you guys can come over here to goldensetups.com. This is what I have over here. This is goldensetups.com. You click over here on view my trades. That'll take you to the YouTube channel where you can see more trades of mine that I make. Today we did live trading on Zoom. All right, and you can just come over here, click on join live. I do personal trade coaching, so feel free to book a session if there's any available. And more importantly, if you want to understand and learn the system, my system of trading, or at least parts of it, haven't released everything yet. You can come over under education, click on 3 ultra profitable setups. This one was really good. 3 ultra profitable setups to double your account. This is a really good one. You can go ahead and purchase this one right here. You got that one right there, and then the other one, charting the best levels to keep you precise and profitable. Definitely highly recommend both of those things, especially when you stack them on top of each other. Man, you get to see the chart in a completely different light. And so anyhow, we got 2 more on the way. We got winning trend lines and supply and demand zones, and then we have mastering the multi-time frame trading, right? Mastering multi-time frame trading. That's what we have on the way. Guys, I'm gonna probably do another next week setup video later on this weekend. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this and watch my trades. Hope you guys did well. Talk to you guys in a little bit. And don't forget, guys, trade the setup, trade confident, live life. Take care.
Golden Setups.